Beam, lost you. There you go. Okay, so as I said, lighting data is being transmitted over DMX. That's what it's called. One DMX channel has, or one DMX universe has 512 channels, and we can control lights with those different channels. Just to show you a little bit about the interface. First, we have the patch. But let me get to the preferences first, because we can select our type of output here. And right now, I'm using this little box. I'm not sure if anyone can see, but it's like a little USB connected box, which has one XLR output and a 5-pin output, which is just for DMX. So this one has one universe as an output. So I could connect this to just a couple of LED lights or LED strips, go on tour with those, and have a great responsive lighting kit. So I have this one connected to USB. That's why it's shown here in the menu. The other option is ArtNet, which is a bit more professional, just like with Ethernet cables. But anyway, I'm going to use ArtNet right now, because like I said, I don't have any actual lights connected to my box here. And ArtNet is, yeah, it goes over network. And this IP address means it's the local host, the same computer. So I'm sending all my DMX data now to the same computer, and Capture is fetching that data and visualizing it, basically. Okay, so how do we control these lights in this virtual theater, which may as well have been a real theater? Well, we have those lights here, and you can see it's probably a bit small to read, but I have my whole list of lights here that are used on this set. And behind every light is a patch number. So for example, let me look up the pars. So I have, I've counted them before, 24 pars, but they're paired together. So I have 12 channels, starting at 428. So let's keep that in mind. We're going to control these pars now with Ableton Live. But first, we have to make the patch, because we have to, well, let me show you at these fixtures. So I'm going to press Add Fixtures here in the patch list. I'm just going to type pars, call these lights pars. And I'm going to use a generic dimmer, because that's what you use for these type of pars. It's just, yeah, it's just a dimmer to control the intensity of the light. You can, of course, control moving heads as well, but we'll get to that later. So I said it was 12 pars in the address they started at. And as you can see, 428, I was talking about DMX and 512 channels. Well, this is number 428 of those 512. So every par, in this case, controls, takes up one channel. So 428, that's 528, 428. And then here's the important part, tags. I'm going to call these all pars, create. And then I'm going to say add to patch. And here we are. We have our pars. This is now our patch list. And